Hi guys, this is Abdul Salim from Jisan Academy. Today we are going to see about the setup in Bootstrap. There are two ways to set up the Bootstrap. The first one is downloading the Bootstrap. The second one is working with CDN. To download or to go for CDN, we have to go to the browser. Then we have to go to the Bootstrap download. Here in Google, you will get the download Bootstrap app. Just go to download Bootstrap. Here we have download. We have compiled CSS and JS. We need CSS, JS and the JavaScript file, that is jQuery. We need cascading style sheet, JavaScript and the jQuery to go for the Bootstrap. And the second method, we will go to the getting started. Here you can see in the Bootstrap website they are given the sample HTML file. This one, you just copy this one, copy the file, copy this one, and we will paste this one in our Sublime editor in hello.html. Paste it here. Here you will find, as usual, we start with doc type, then the HTML language. Here we have head tag. Under that we have meta character set, meta name we have. After that we have link. Here you can see link rel is equal to style sheet. Here we have href, http, that is the Bootstrap CDN file. We are including in our HTML file. After that we have the title. Let it be as it is. And after that we are calling the script file, that is the jQuery file we are calling here. Here we are calling the script, we are calling the Ajax or popper.js. Next one we are calling here. Here we are calling Bootstrap CDN, we are calling here. These three files you have to include in our HTML to go for Bootstrap. Now we will save this file and we'll go to the desktop. Here we have the hello.html. Right click this one, then go to open with Google Chrome. You will find here hello.html, hello world. This is the Bootstrap file. Now we will go for the button here, Bootstrap buttons and all. Just I will show you one example here. Go to the Bootstrap website. Here in the search, here you just type it here, button. Press enter. Here you can see the here you have to type button. Here you can see buttons. Now you will get the buttons here. This is the primary, secondary buttons are there. This is the Bootstrap button. Now for this one, here is the coding. Just we will copy this coding to our HTML file. Ctrl C for copy. Go to the Sublime editor. After this h1 tag or before the script tag, you have to paste the button. Now go to file, save the file. Here come to the hello world. Now we will refresh it here. you will see that we got the buttons. This is the bootstrap button. This is called bootstrap CDN. That is, here we bought the script here, bootstrap scripts. This one, it will work when you get the net. If you have net, then it will work online, otherwise it won't work. Suppose if you want to work without the net, that is offline, then you have to download the bootstrap. Now we will delete this one now. We will delete this one. Okay, we will delete these four things. Now we will go for the second option to download the bootstrap on your system, and you can work offline. Now to download the bootstrap, you have to go to the website, bootstrap website. Here you can go for downloads. Here you can see download. If you click here, you will get this downloads here. Now we are going to download CSS and JS, JavaScript. And after that we will download the jQuery also. Now go to the download. If you click on the download, it will be downloaded in your system. Here is the zip file, bootstrap zip file. We will open this one. We will open this one now, and here we will right click and we will copy that file. Now we will paste it in the desktop. Right click here, then paste it here. Now you just extract this zip file. Right click here, go to extract here. You will find that we got CSS and JS folder here. Now double click this one. You can see now that we got bootstrap, bootstrap min is there. These two files are very important, and the other things, if you want, you can delete it. This all no need. You can delete these files. Just keep it bootstrap and bootstrap min. I am deleting the other files. Just keep these two files, bootstrap and bootstrap min. Now we will go to the JS folder. You can see that we have here bootstrap and bootstrap min. The other whole thing you can delete, no need that file. That's it. We got Bootstrap and Bootstrap Min here. Now we will download the jQuery file. Go to the browser, open our new tab. Now just type it here, jQuery. Go to jQuery.com here. Here you will get the jQuery website. Now go to the download. Here you can see the second one, download the uncompressed development query 3.5.1. This one we will download now, this one. Just right click here and go for save link as. Now you can see that it will be downloaded. I am giving the desktop and here let it be as jQuery. Just give the file name jQuery, then save it here. Now you can see that we have the file jQuery here. Now we'll just move this file to our JS folder. Now inside the JS folder, you can see we have three files, Bootstrap, here jQuery is there. Now we'll go to the Sublime editor. Here we'll go for linking the file, a CSS file. For that we'll go for link. rel is equal to double quotes, styles it. Then we'll go for href equal to double quotes. You have to give the path, that is the CSS / bootstrap dot min dot css file you have to include here. After that, come to the body here, then you can go for h1. I am giving you Jisan Academy. Close the h1 tag. Now after that you have to go for the script. Script type is equal to text / JavaScript. Here we will go for source equal to double quotes. We will go for the jQuery file. It is under JS folder colon jQuery .js file. Then after that we will go for script. Script type is equal to / text / JavaScript. Then here you have to go give the source equal to double quotes JS / then we will go for bootstrap dot min dot js file. Here we have given CSS and here you have to give it JSS file. Now we will save the file. We will go to the browser. We will refresh our HTML file. You can see we got the Jisan Academy. Now we will go for the button. We will copy the button from here. Go to the getting started. As we did before, just go to the coding here. We'll give it button here. We'll copy this one. This whole thing will copy it. Copy this one and go to the Sublime editor. We'll paste it here. Now we will save the file. Go to the browser, go to the Hello World here, go to our HTML file hello.html, then refresh it here. You will see the buttons here. This is the Bootstrap buttons. Now I will show the coding how it works. We will go for only one buttons. I will remove the other buttons from here. Just I remove this one. Now we will save the file. Go to the browser, refresh it here. You can see we have one button here, Bootstrap button. Now I will show you the coding. Go to the Sublime editor. Here you can see button type is equal to button. Here we have given class. That is the class we are taking from the Bootstrap file. From this file we are taking from the Bootstrap file. That is button primary. This button type you will get it there. Now suppose if I remove the script from there, let us see how it works now. Just I am deleting this one. I am deleting that one. Just go to the file, save, refresh your browser. Now I am just removing the okay. Now I removed the CSS file. If you refresh it here, you will see we got the just ordinary button. Now if I go for this codings, link rel is equal to style. We have written CSS bootstrap min.css file. Just go to the file, save here. Now if you refresh this one, you can see now our button is now Bootstrap button, CSS Bootstrap button. This is the way we work on the Bootstrap. In the further class we will see more details about the Bootstrap. Hope you will understand very easily. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.